In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a blower motor on a Subaru Impreza under the passenger side dash. I'm going to remove the connector off of the blower motor. Just push the clip in. Just like that. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws. And install the new blower motor. Make sure the screw holes line up. Push it up into place. And then install your 3 Phillips head screws. And just take your connector, put it back in, until you hear a click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.